Hi everyone, my name is Heather Buck. I'm a course instructor and tutor at JD Advising, and I'm going to be hosting a webinar on Thursday, November 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time in conjunction with the ABA for Law Students Division. We're going to be hosting this virtual office hour session to go over how to excel on law school exams. So during this webinar, I'm going to go over an actual practice law school exam question with you, and I'm going to show you how to maximize your points on such an exam by things like issue spotting and discussing the analysis. You'd be really surprised by how few people do practice exams prior to their actual law school exams. And I'll cover how practice exams can help you and what you should be doing with your practice exams in order to best prepare for your law school exams. For instance, did you know that a lot of students just do a practice exam and then toss it aside and never think about it again? Instead of doing that, it is a great idea to learn from your mistakes. So you can do this by doing a practice exam and then getting your hands on a sample answer to that practice exam and carefully comparing your answer to the sample answer to see what issues you talked about that maybe they didn't, or issues you missed that you should have talked about, looking at what arguments that they raised that maybe you didn't think of, and maybe other issues like rules and whatnot that you didn't include in your answer that are included in the sample answer. If you can't find sample answers to your practice exams, you can also accomplish this by talking to like a classmate, for instance. Both of you could do the question and then talk about your different answers. Maybe your classmate thought of something that you didn't think of. This is a great way to practice for your law school exams because it's going to give you an opportunity to learn from your mistakes. So rather than making a mistake and then making the same mistake on your law school exam, you can get those mistakes out of the way on your practice exam so that you don't make similar mistakes on your actual exam and you get the most points possible. So as I said, I'll go over even more tips in the webinar on November 11th, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.